All right, let's go and do a little update on this car. Had it for a little while. I have put this Shelby rear spoiler on the car. Looks a little bit better than the old little tiny one that was on there. But I still got to get a seat for it. I still got to get an airbag and the seat belt for this one in the module. I'm not going to do anything to this door here. I did pull the frame part out for where the headlight was damaged there. I did pull that section out. I did get a radiator for it. Also got a headlight for it over at the parts farm in Georgia. This door here will be coming off, and that door there will be going on. So that's one thing I've done so far. Also, here's the two fenders that I have for the car, and here's the hood. This is a 2021 Shelby GT500 hood that we're putting on it. It's got the little louver scoop in the center. And we made it this far to the booth. Got it in here. We've got the door on. Of course, we got to go back over it and water sand everything. But the door's on. Got the front end straightened out. The headlights in, fenders on. Of course, the hood's open. I got to water sand this door to blend back on this door here. And the rear bumper has to have some work done to the rear bumper where it has some scuffs. So that's it so far. Now we got to just get in here, get the water sand done, and tape it up and get everything primed, blocked, sealed, and shot.